Welcome back to the show. Joining us today for what we've dubbed as our Infusion Invasion episode are Jonathan Mafood and Lisa Marie Brown. Hi. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
Wanna good?
Good
So
to
far.
good.
Yeah? You like tea?
I have
Yes.
to, love it.
Let's have checks too.
Yes.
Bread and butter, I have to,
Bread-
every morning.
So Terry's going to start cooking for us today.
So I'm making a filet mignon with infusing some apricot passion fruit Caribbean Dreams tea. So let's get started. Andre is going to help me out by starting to season the beef. So we have some nice cuts right here. And while he's doing that, he's going to just season with salt and pepper and add some oil to that, right? I'm going to put some oil in my pot. Now this might seem like you're using a lot of oil because there's oil in the pot and then oil on the beef, but it'll be fine. So I'm adding some thyme to my pot. I'm adding some garlic. And I'm adding some leeks. Now leeks are like a hybrid onion. I mean, it's one of the more expensive buds you'll find.
They look beautiful.
They are pretty, right?
Yeah.
And they do add a nice flavor. Like there's several things you can do with leeks. They come in very nice in soups as well. So we're just using this to season our pot basically. See how beautiful those look. Andre, we never really need so much, you know, we have 2 guests.
Well,
Yeah.
after, since last
I'm
time,
not complaining.
Guest 1, guest
there's
2,
nothing wrong. Yeah.
presentation, sushi. Right here.
So what I'm doing now is that I want a nice sear on the beef. So I want it to be nice and golden crusty like on one side, and I'm gonna flip it over and get the same nice golden crust on the other side. So my fire is on a high temperature right now, and it's gonna stay that way until I get my gold on both sides. And then after that, we're gonna turn the temperature down and allow it to cook through fully. Let's just check these to see how we're going. So I have a nice crust on here.
Beautiful.
Now, when you want it to finish cooking it through, you have a couple options. You can turn down the flame, or you could just put it in the oven and allow it to cook in there. But we're just going to get our crust, and then you can decide which option you want to choose. I'm going to finish it on the stove, so I'm just going to turn on the temperature as soon as I get the nice crust on the other side as well. Andre, guess what I made to go with this?
Not bad.
I made some rustic mashed potatoes.
What's in on? I want mashed potatoes with these 3 here. Medium well.
Just for you.
I'll give the guests the prettier one. So you can give me this, this, and that one.
You're
Because I'm a
so
nice guy.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Right?
Thank you. You're so kind.
All right, so we took off our beef, right? We allowed these to cook a little more because we wanted this, right? So I'm allowing it to rest a little bit because when you allow your meat to rest after it's cooked, then what happens is that the juices redistribute and the meat continues cooking. That you always have to keep that in consideration, right? So we got all of our twine off with all of these. And any juices that were on the tray, I put them back into the pot here because all of that adds flavor. So we're just gonna drop it. Andre, just drop the steaks for me on top of the thing, and then we just use our nice little glaze here.
One
Thank you very
steak.
much.
Medium.
Excellent. And I know they say you eat with your eyes first, but this is gorgeous. It's
Nice.
Very well plated.
Good job, Terry.
Thank you.
And then,
So go ahead, dig
Oh, we're
it.
ready?
Yes.
yeah,
Yes.
you can go on, Terry. I'll finish
Okay.
up. I'll finish up over here.
Okay.
All right, so
You don't know where to start.
No, I don't.
it's all very pretty. Let me start
Okay.
disrobing this thing a little bit.
I like that.
I'll start with
You want to take it off?
potatoes.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's presentation. So
Yeah.
then after that, you just dig in and do
It all
whatever
goes in the same place, this mantle.
you want.
So
Your
my address?
Yeah.
Because you're going to start living with me now? I'm going to leave that with you afterwards so you can come home later.
Okay.
You have to, The steak is great. Now, I guess we have to try it with sauce to make sure we get
Yes.
all of the apricot infusion.
Yes. And the passion. Don't forget the passion.
Oh, you can never forget passion in cooking. I think that was already there.
Hey, Jonathan, you know, my slogan is actually love, passion, and food for your satisfaction. Yeah.
Mine have passion in
The
it too, but
potatoes.
something different.
It pairs
The
perfectly.
mashed potatoes are.
Fabulous.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So are you tasting the tea in this infusion in it? That's why I had to make it sure it's nice and thick, so it's rich,
It's a very nice, rich sauce.
So good.
and it pairs well with the beef, I think.
I'm surprised at the different aspects you can use the tea in.
Yes. The tea is very versatile. Like I actually love tea in the mornings is fine, right? Where everybody's used to that. Then you have iced teas, and the new range of teas gives you so much options to choose from when you
Right.
want to make an iced tea. Like it's amazing.
And I feel like there's such a renaissance in cooking that people are trying to find new ways to use old ingredients.
True.
And
True.
This is very unique.
Ah, thank you. So Andre, what kind of fanciness you have in store for us now today?
And me at that, sir?
Yes.
This filet mignon, my Chateaubriand. I do simple things, I do some muffins.
Oh,
Well, I'm taking some muffins, I'm going to turn them into some truffles.
see, same thing.
But it's easy because I hear that I'm too elaborate sometimes.
Well,
So it's going to be really easy. I'm going to fill it with some lychee ginger.
oh,
Yeah,
nice.
And cover it in chocolate and bag of things.
Yeah, it's easy, simple. That sounds
Yeah.
Real simple,
Yeah.
right?
You said chocolate. I'm great.
You're good. May I get the address too? Anyway,
She has to taste it first.
well, we soon know. We'll be right back.